Alright, YouTube. Hello, we're back at apartment number 5. Doing the vanity install. Didn't get it on film because, I don't know, didn't feel like it. But I got brand new shutoffs in there. Brand new shutoffs. I got a brand new sink drain with the fixed, doesn't have the pop up in it. Use the old faucet. Doesn't work, I still gotta shut off. I got silicone the top on. Alright, I got the top on, I siliconed it down. I always use silicone in case you want to take it off again. Put liquid nails on that and you'll rip up your cabinet. I like replacing cabinets every time somebody moves out. That's what I'm gonna do. I turn on the fan, I was getting the smell groovy in there. So what I'm working on right now is the plumbing, this P-trap setup. I didn't bring my tripod today, so here are my valve stems in number 5. Interesting. Gotta do some last minute cleaning. I'll be here around 6. I'm gonna get cracking. So that's where I'm at on this blustery March 5th. It's the anniversary of the death of Martin Luther King Jr.